galing sa PNP ang drugs, ang illegal gambling, karnaping, kidnapping, galing sa PNP, Your Honor, Mr. Chair. Hindi ako matakot magsabi kasi alam ng mga polis nandito kung ano ang trabaho, ano ang polis. So at least, Your Honor, Mr. Chair, binigyan niyo ako ng pagkataon, at least may Panginoon ko, bahala na siya. Pagkuta at saka reward. Sa akin naman, we implemented in accordance with the law, Your Honors. Ang kuta, bawat araw dapat ang pulis may matukhang yung knock and play. Puntahan yung mga nasa list para pasurindirin sa police station para sila marehab or voluntarily. Ang reward naman, it's very obvious for my assignment, Your Honor, Mr. Chair, na lahat ng mga operation through buy-bust operation, search warrant, implementation, may reward system yung mga local official. Ano ko, Your Honor, Mr. Chair, ang Usamis na nagbigay si Mayor Paruhinog ng 100,000 bawat accomplishment ng buy-bust operation. So nakatanggap kami ng 600,000. No? Mga lalaki yun na mga pusher sa Usamis. So yun ang pag-intindi ko. The other kuta naman at saka yung reward system, alam ng mga polis lahat yun, Your Honor, Mr. Chair, na patayin, may reward. Kung mamatay yung nasa watch list, may reward system yun ang ibigay. Your Honor, Mr. Chair, maski may kasalanan yun o wala, may ginawa na totoong na buy-bust o wala, yun ang pag-intindi ko sa dalawang klase ng reward at saka quota, Your Honors. They are all victim. Why sila ang atutupagin ko when in fact very clear naman ang pronouncement ng presidente natin na sa Albuera yung mga Espinosa ang drug lord. So bakit magpunta pa ako sa mga user at saka sa poser na nakita ko din, Your Honor, Mr. Chair, na they are all victims lang. Kung makuha yung mga drug lord at saka sana protector, stop na ang illegal drugs. Kaya sa area ko, maski ang Bacolod, Your Honor, Mr. Chair, nakahuli tayo ng 80 to 90 na mga pusher, walang patay.
May we know, and can you please tell this honorable committee who are the persons behind or the personalities behind when you mentioned the word leadership when we are referring on the implementation of the reward system?
Your Honors, from the Chief PNP down to the Chief of Police, Your Honors.
You mentioned the word Chief PNP. Who is the Chief PNP at that time, Mr. Witness?
Police General, Director General Bato de la Rosa, Your Honors.
And that you are referring to now, Senator Ronald Bato de la Rosa. Is that correct, Mr. Witness?
Yes, Your Honors.
Now, my question, Mr. Chair and Mr. Witness, how would you characterize the war against illegal drug during the time of President Rodrigo Roa Duterte?
It's very impressive, Your Honors. And,
I'm sorry, what was the first sentence of your answer?
It's very impressive naman, Your Honors, and very practical, and masabi ko, Your Honors, na marami ang nasiyahan, no? Because sa akin naman, na hinanap na yung source ng drugs. But then, it very sad to say na ang nangyari, yung mga biktima lang, no? Ang napatay, yung mga poser, user. Sa akin naman, Your Honors, sabi ko I conclude na kawawa yung mga naging biktima lang para lang makatanggap ng reward. Nag-abuso yung sa paligid ni President Duterte. Nag-take advantage because of greed of position and money. Kaya maski sino na lang ang trabahuin as long as nasa watchlist ka, Your Honors. But it's very public knowledge naman sa atin dito na tayo nasiyahan sa ginawa. But then, inabuso. Yun na ang problema sa war against illegal drugs.
So you agreed, do you agree that human rights were violated during those times?
Yes, Your Honors.
And in fact, I would like to direct your attention on the second or the last paragraph of your affidavit, which I quote, all I was able to say is that there was a violation of human rights in the implementation of drug war. Again, may I reiterate, do you confirm that statement, Colonel Espinido?
Excuse, Your Honor. What paragraph, Your Honor? Sorry.
Last paragraph on page 7 of your affidavit.
7.
Paragraph 42.
42. Yes, I confirm, Your Honors.
That would be all, Mr. Chair. Thank you.
Paragraph 34. From my experience, I can say that the PNP is the biggest crime group in this country. Ang ibig mo bang sabihin, yung chief PNP ang Lord of crime? Kasi pag
First-
sinabi mo na yung PNP ang isang crime syndicate, ang big boss niyan ay yung chief PNP. Siya ba ang big boss ng criminal syndicate known as the Philippine National Police?
Your Honor, Mr. Chair, I don't want to make any statement that the PNP itself is organized crime groups, but ang chief PNP, siya kasi, Your Honor, Mr. Chair, it's very obvious na siya lahat, galing sa kanya lahat ang instruction.
During the time of what? Of who?
General Bato, Your Honor, Mr.
Gerald
Chair.
de la Rosa. So, nung panahon na yon, when you say that the PNP is the biggest crime group in the country, ang leader ng crime group na yon ay si Gerald de la Rosa.
It may be, Your Honor.
No,
I'm not
asking
referring
you kasi
for the PNP.
Tinatanong kita dahil yun ang statement mo eh. Di ba? From my experience, I can say that the PNP is the biggest crime group in this country. Who is the leader of the PNP, which you consider as the crime group? Hindi ba yung chief PNP?
Yes,
And
sir.
therefore, he's the Lord.
Yes, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
Tama.
Yes, Your Honor, Mr. Chair.
Would that be a correct conclusion of mine?
I am with you, Mr. Chair.
Thank you.